As a beginner on YouTube, you have a hidden superpower, a fresh perspective, boundless energy, and limitless potential. And no, I'm not talking about your ability to avoid copyright claims. I'm talking about one trait that can turn you into a YouTube success story. Niche. YouTube's algorithm isn't some mysterious magic. It's a machine that runs on logic. A simple formula most beginners overlook. Choosing a niche is not just about picking a topic. It's a promise to your audience that your channel will be the go-to source for something specific. Every video you publish is a new brick in that promise. Now, I know you've already seen dozens of those motivational channels telling you, just keep posting. The more you upload, the more chances you have to blow up. But the truth? That mindset could be the first nail in your channel's coffin. Do not rush to upload videos. Take a breath and choose your niche. Then go even deeper within that niche. Because posting random videos with no clear identity is like opening a restaurant that serves pizza, kebabs, ice cream, sushi, and then wondering why people only order bottled water. The YouTube algorithm doesn't understand what you're offering unless you make it crystal clear. Clarity wins. Focus scales. Your niche is not a limitation, it's your launch pad. So don't try to be everywhere. Be the best in one place. Because on YouTube, success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing one thing consistently and doing it damn well. Choose your niche, build with purpose, and let YouTube work for you, not against you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a creator who needs to hear this today. Your journey is just beginning. Make it count. And by the way, in the next video, I'll reveal the most powerful SEO techniques for choosing and writing killer YouTube titles that actually get clicks. So make sure you're subscribed. You do not want to miss that.